Hi, friends and fellow stargazers. Today, I want to show you what happens when you right click on a specific house in a chart, and it's going to bring up a description. And we're going to go through how this can help you understand and interpret the chart. For those of you new to my channel, my name's Tahia. I'm a Vedic astrologer and an astro techie, and I'm here to give you tips and tutorials how to use Parashara's Light 9.0. So let's jump into this. If you guys noticed, Saturn is the Mahadasha Lord, and I did another video that showed you how to add this little gray circle. I'm going to right click again, and you can see there's different descriptions. So let's click Rotate Chart to this house, and this will put the Mahadasha Lord as the ascendant. That's one quick way to do this. So I'm going to go back to putting Saturn back in the 10th house where it was. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to right click again. And now it says house description. And you can see here there's a house description. I'm going to extend this, and you can actually see right up here, there's different aspects of the chart that you can click through. I just did another video that showed you how to take different interpretations and put them into the GPT I created. For this, you can actually copy and paste this. This has the copy paste feature as there is no copy button at the bottom. That's one thing you can do. I'm going to click out of this. We keep clicking into this. Second thing is house significations. And you can see there's a list here of what this can mean. And you can scroll through this. And again, you can use this copy function to put this into the GPT if you want a different interpretation, a modern interpretation, or you just have your own definition of what you'd like to see. Let's click this next one, which is lordship placement, and it'll tell us the Lord of the 10th is in the 6th and what that can actually mean. And you can see there's a pattern here where the definitions are provided by various scriptures. You can see here it has a modern interpretation. You're always welcome to take this as is or further define it in however you feel fit. If you feel this is too black and white, you can put it in the GPT so it gives you a broader and more robust definition. Next one I'm going to click on is Bala. And you can see here we have a Shadbala table. I actually snagged an image of this table and I put it into the Ask Parashara GPT, and I asked it to summarize the Shadbala table, which it did. And then I actually asked it to summarize it in one paragraph. This is another way you can use those AI assistants because unless you know a lot about Shadbala, you can see there's nothing in Parashara's Light to help you understand what this could mean. Hopefully that will at least give you an option and a tool if you are interested in learning more about Shadbala and you want a quick answer. This is one way that you can get it. Let's move to the next one. And this is about looking at all of the yogas for the 10th house. And you can see here that it lists the different yogas. And if we go to the next one, which is aspects to and from the 10th house, you can see this pops up. You can actually snag this image and put it in the Ask Parashara GPT. Rotate chart to this sign operates the same way as rotate chart to this house. If we go to sign description, it pulls up that same table and you can see here that it will give you a description of the sign. And now we're moving to sign significations. And this was similar to what we just saw. And same thing here, guys. You can take this as what it is, or you can put it into the GPT to give you a little bit more robust understanding. And if you want to see the signs as glyphs, you can just click this and it turns into the glyphs. So hopefully these tips are helpful in understanding the framework of how the chart is set up and just a quick way to get some information on understanding the chart better. Thanks for listening. I'll see you in the next video and keep shining.